With Cloud Duplicate Finder, it's become quite easy to search for and delete Excel duplicates on Dropbox without downloading anything. First, sign up on CDF. Under the Dropbox section, click on Add New Drive. Give the necessary permissions to connect your account. Now you'll be able to see a list of all of your Dropbox folders here. Select the items that you wish to scan. You can either select all files or go for the custom option to scan for specific file types. In this case, it'll be Excel. Now let's begin the scan. Once it's over, you'll be able to see a list of all duplicates. Go to the Select Duplicates menu to decide which version of the duplicates you want to keep. Then go to Select Action and decide whether you want to relocate the selected duplicates or permanently delete them. And that's it. Within a few seconds, you'll be able to recover tons of storage space on your Dropbox account.